Won-Hyo pattern, 27 movements. Won-Hyo was the noted monk who introduced Buddhism to the Silla Dynasty in the year 686 AD. Raise stance B. Left square block. Right reverse knife hand strike. Left punch. Right square block. Left reverse knife hand strike. Right punch. Left double fist block. Left side kick. Double knife hand block. Right double knife hand block. Left double knife hand block. Right spear hand ki-ai. Left square block. Right reverse knife hand strike. Left punch. Right square block. Left reverse knife hand strike. Right punch. Right reverse inner forearm block. Right front kick. Left reverse punch. Left reverse inner forearm block. Left front kick. Right reverse punch. Right side kick. Left double fist block. Right double fist block.
Hey!